Oh my god, yesterday was so amazing. For Costa Rica travel ideas, check out my video. You will love it for sure. So here we are at the Nicoya Peninsula, Playa Poyote. You will see where it is right on here on two little maps. And this day is all about some impressions about being on the ocean all day, snorkeling, fishing, visiting deserted islands. Just have a lot of fun with my family and our friends. And the guys who arranged this boat tour are friends of us. And below my video, you will be able to see all details on how to book your unbelievably awesome boat tour. And I cannot stretch enough how grateful I feel being able to live in Costa Rica. So for us, this is a Costa Rica trip, and we travel in Costa Rica ourselves while living here. So just to give you some light bulbs in your mind about what's possible, we still do this stuff, although we live here for almost 5 years now. As you can see, the Nicoya Peninsula has a lot to offer. Of course, lots of water. It is with one part stuck to the mainland, and it's beautiful. It has a very specific atmosphere. Really, if you are looking into Costa Rica travel and are in search for information, come and check it out. Come and see whales, come and see dolphins. It's breathtaking and is never ever bores. For us, even we live here for several years already.
Following up. Yeah.
Got this, son. The cool thing about this specific boat tour with the guys, Ryan and Lucas, is that they're basically open for suggestions. So if you only want to fish, it's possible. If you only want to whale spot and dolphin spot, it's possible. But there's also loads of combinations possible. Shorter trips, longer trips. We always take a long trip, 6 hours, and do a combination of everything. Fishing, snorkeling, deserted islands, and animal spotting. And what is so amazingly cool about this trip is that everything that you're catching, you're able to eat it. It's beautiful here. So what an experience for my kids. I always think that they can experience that they can eat from the ocean, and they can eat from the trees, and they can enjoy the wildlife around them. And this is why primarily we decided to move to Costa Rica almost 5 years ago, to give our kids that experience, that there's not such a thing only as a concrete world around them, but also a lot of jungle, wildlife, oceans, and beauty.
Yeah, we need 2 pairs of fins.
If I throw the anchor, then we're not going to go right. Yeah, you can. But I can now. Wow!
It was like here.
Oh, this looks really
Oh,
good.
wow.
Mahi mahi sandwiches.
Oh,
Wow.
perfect. Wat al trek.
Very nice.
Careful when you take one.
Our very first impressions in Costa Rica started by deciding that we would travel to Costa Rica. So that is basically how we came to the conclusion that we wanted to leave the Netherlands and really start living here. So yeah, if you are investigating Costa Rica travel ideas and you're scrolling around on YouTube, I really hope that you stumble upon my channel and you watch all my videos, because I share a lot about my process, but also just stuff to do in Costa Rica that you can explore yourself. When you decide to travel Costa Rica by doing these type of trips, I assure you that from Orion and Lucas you will be able to learn a lot about everything that you see, the animals, the wildlife. Lucas is a biologist and well, it's not just a boat tour.